Good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss demultiplexer. Okay, it is the reverse process of multiplexer. It is also called data distributor. Just you have to change input and output. Selected lines remain same. In this, there is only one input but many outputs, so that's why it is also called one to many circuit, or it is also called data distributor. In this, there is only one input at one time. Any one output is connected to any input depending upon the value of selected lines. This is your 1 to 4 demultiplexer. In case of multiplexer, we have 4 to 1. In demultiplexer, there will be only one input and 4 output. Okay. Now the same thing, output equal to 2 to the power s. There will be only one input, but output will depend upon value of selected line. If there are two selected line, output will be 4, 2 to the power 2. It is called 1 to 4 demultiplexer. Similarly, there is 1 to 8 demultiplexer. There will be one input, 8 outputs, and in this case there will be 3 selected lines. Okay. Similarly, there is 1 to 16 demultiplexer. In this case, there will be 16 outputs, 1 inputs, and 4 selected line. And 1 is to 32 demultiplexer. In 1 to 32 demultiplexer, there will be 5 selected line. Okay, and there will be 32 output from Y0 to Y31. This is your value. If value is 0 0, suppose this is 0 0, this works in 0 0, this in 0 1, this works in 1 0, this works in 1 1. So at one time, if value is 0 0, this is selected to this. If value is 0 1, this is selected to this. 1 0, this is connected to this, and if 1 1, this is connected to this. And similarly, output 0 0 means Y0, so this will be I. 0 1, this will be Y1. 1 0 2, so Y2 is I. 1 1, Y3. Y3 is connected to I. This is your circuit diagram. S0 bar, S1 bar. What is Y3? It is nothing, S1 S0 into I. So S1 S0 into I. Similarly, Y1. Y1, it is 0 1. S1 bar, S0 bar. This is your S1 bar, and this is S0 bar into I. So there will be 4 output. It is just like your decoder. There is no difference in demultiplexer and decoder. Just we change this value. These two are replaced here, and this is replaced here. If we interchange input and selected line, it becomes decoder. In case of decoder, value of I, when it comes here, we say enable line E. Okay, and S1 S0, S1 and S0, when they go to input, these are called inputs, I1 I0. Okay, so whatever expression you have implemented by using decoder, the same method you have to follow for demultiplexer. So you have to implement full adder by using demultiplexer. What you do in case of active high decoder, whatever minterms are given, connect those outputs to inputs of OR gate. Okay, what you will do in case of full adder, sum is 1 2 4 7. So Y1, Y2, Y4 and Y7 are connected to input of OR gate and output of OR gate will be sum. Okay. Similarly for carry 3, 5, 6, 7. So you will connect Y3, Y5, Y6 and Y7 output to input of OR gate and output of OR gate will be C out. Just we will do in decoder circuit. Okay, it is your demultiplexer circuit. You know you are getting only min terms, product term, not in SOP form. So that's why we will use OR gate. This is your multiplexer and this is your demultiplexer. It is used just to use for synchronization purpose. Okay, to synchronize the data. Now demultiplexer and decoder. In demultiplexer there are 2 selected line and 1 input and 4 output. This is 1 to 4 demultiplexer. In decoder 2 to 4 decoder, this E will come here. Just you can write down this E also here. E. Okay, so this is the table. In the case of decoder, it will be 1 1 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1. In case of demultiplexer, it will be I, and in this case, decoder will only work when E equal to 1. Enable line equal to 1. If it's only 0, it does not work. And it is table of demultiplexer 1 to 4 demultiplexer. Okay, so at last, when you will watch the decoder video lecture, then you will be able to differentiate between multiplexer, demultiplexer, decoder and encoder. Okay, it's all about today lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.